You think Korean is difficult? Not anymore. Today you will learn 10 easy Korean phrases you can start using right away. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's lesson you will learn 10 easy Korean phrases that beginners can start using right away. I will teach you Korean phrases, its pronunciation and its meaning in English. Let's get started. First one is jinja. Jinja, meaning really. Example, I meet a K-pop ideal. Jinja. Joayo. Joayo, meaning that's good. Example, I passed my exam. Joayo. Kanchanayo. Kanchanayo, meaning it's okay. Example, I'm sorry. Kanchanayo. Majayo. Majayo, meaning that's right. Example, you are learning Korean, right? Majayo. Aniyo. Aniyo, meaning no, it's not really. Example, are you Korean? Aniyo. Veo. Veo, meaning why? Example, I can't come today. Veo. Ne. Ne, meaning yes. Example, do you like Korean dramas? Ne. Argaseo. Argaseo. Argaseo, meaning got it. Example, please study every day. Argaseo. Argaseo. Anyo. Anyo, meaning no. Example, do you speak Korean fluently? Anyo. Daebak. Daebak. Daebak, meaning awesome, amazing. Example, I got 100% on my test. Daebak. Remember, anyo means a direct no, while aniyo means no, it's not or not really. Anyo means a direct no. Anyo means a direct no, while aniyo means no, it's not or not really. Don't mix them up. Practice a little every day and your Korean will improve. Which phrases was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and follow for more Korean lessons. Annyeong!